Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You want to begin now? Make sure the watch has at least 10% charge and is snug on your wrist. Swipe up to Open Control Center, then tap the water drop icon. Alternatively, open Settings, choose Water Lock and toggle it on. Do this because Water Lock disables the touchscreen to prevent accidental taps when submerged. Once activated, you'll see the water drop icon and feel the watch vibrate. Keep the watch on. The system will protect inputs and prepare the speaker for water ejection later. Once done, confirm the lock. The water drop icon appears and you'll feel a short vibration. The touchscreen is disabled. This prevents false touches, but sensors like the accelerometer and heart rate can still work, so you can start a swim workout if you need swim tracking. Make sure the band is secure and avoid pressing buttons unnecessarily. If you're entering deep water or waves, double-check the icon. It's the watch's cue that input is blocked, and the speaker is primed to eject water when you unlock. To finish, rotate the digital crown firmly until the display unlocks. You'll hear a series of tones as the speaker ejects water and you'll feel vibration. After unlocking, rinse and dry the watch, then inspect the speaker grill for debris. If the watch won't unlock or the eject sound is weak, make sure Watch OS is updated, try a force restart, and retry water lock. If problems persist, check the band and port for debris, clean gently, then contact support if necessary.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.